Hello guys and welcome to another video. We have this question right here. X to the third power is equal to x squared plus 2x. We have to figure out the value of x that will satisfy this equation. And as always, before we start, feel free to pause the video and give it a try first. Are you done? Now let's get right into it. In fact, I'm going to use the graph to show an overview of how the solutions are going to look like. So quickly, I have the Cartesian plane here just like that. And if we let the left-hand side equal to y, the graph of this function is actually going to be just like this. Cool. And in the same way, if you let y2 equal to the right-hand side, in fact, for this x squared, it's going to just be like this. But because we have plus 2x, that is going to come down a little bit, just like that, and then passes through the origin like this. So clearly we can see that we will have three solutions. One here, one at the origin, and then one right here. So we have one negative solution, 0, and then one positive solution. So now that we know this, we can actually tackle the question. Cool. First of all, let's equate everything to 0 by moving the whole of this to the left so that we have x to the third power minus x squared minus 2x is equal to 0. And now we see that x is common, so we can just take x out. Then we'll be left with x to the second power minus x minus 2 is equal to 0, just like this. And now we can form two equations out of this. In fact, the first equation is going to be x is equal to 0, or the second one is going to be x to the second power minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is one of the solutions, of course, right from here. The origin right here, right? So it's cool. Now, should we use the quadratic formula for this? Absolutely not. Yes, because we can just use factoring method to solve this right here. I'm going to keep the x to the second power, then see this negative x here as positive x minus 2x minus this 2 right here, and this is equal to 0. Now, right from these two terms, we can take x out so that we have x plus 1. Then, right from the remaining two terms, we can take negative 2 out. Then, we'll be left with x plus 1, and this is equal to 0. In fact, x plus 1 is common, so we can just take it out. We have x plus 1 like this. Then here we'll be left with x, and this side is negative 2. So we will have x minus 2, and this is equal to 0. Of course, we can still form two equations out of this. The first one is going to be x plus 1 is equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to negative 1 as one of the solutions. Then right from here, we will also have x minus 2 is equal to 0, which also implies that x is equal to 2. So going back to the graph, we can see that this portion is going to be the negative 1. Then this is going to be the 0 right here. And then this right here is going to be the positive 2. So here is negative 1, 0, and positive 2. So guys, that is pretty much it. The question is pretty much simple. You can even do it without any graph. Very simple. If you found the video useful, make sure you subscribe and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you again on the next video. Have a nice day. Don't forget to check this video out or this one. Bye bye.